Hey boys, come on, where are you? You've been trying that gear on? Oh, hey, oh, look at this. Look at the two clowns. They look fantastic.
There you go.
Now, Dave, what are you wearing? You've got the Mojave jersey and a Mojave in the boot pants. Jeez, you look sharp, mate.
Yeah, these are great in tropics and hot. When it's hot, they're really cool.
Now, you've gone the grey because you...
so I'm going grey.
Because you're going grey, yeah. And you felt that 2-3 weeks in the same duds without washing, they might be grey after that time anyway.
They're going to be grey after that. And yeah, I do my undies 2 days. Nugget does his 4.
Yeah, now Nugget, you've got the Dakar jacket on. Cool. And you know you can take the sleeves off that, mate, and wear it as a vest. So that's
build the arms up then.
That's not waterproof, but it's going to keep you safe, mate.
Yeah.
All right. You can throw a bit of armour in there if you want. What pants you wearing, mate? Oh, stealth black.
Yeah, slimming colour.
Stealth black. Mate, you look beautiful. Now, zip off. Come on. Dun, 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 dun.
Super Nugget.
Super Nugget.
That's K, you need SN.
That's K for Knut.
K for Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Where are you getting those Kit Kats?
Oh, mate,
exactly. They come with a Kit Kat.
All right. Hey, guys, fantastic.
Sensational. Thank you.